It's our first trip together. Hey, everybody in first class. I thought he was getting us first class tickets, but he lied. Well, we all the way at 38B. But at least it's our first trip. We trying. Look at him. Aww. Look at y'all in first class. Oh, it must be nice. Look at y'all separate. They gave y'all water already. Because that's not cool. He said first class to St. Louis. Look at me. I'm going to visit his aunt. She's a great baker. Oh, look at you working over there in first class. Busy. Hello, General Mission. All right. This is our first time on a trip, everybody. Yay. He told me I was going to be in first class. He lied. We're in 38 if anybody looking for us. What? Oh. That was wrong. Wow. He also told me I was going to the Virgin Islands, but we're going to St. Louis.
I don't like 50-50. I don't do coffee dates. I don't care how much money I ever make. I still want my man to pay for everything. He should pick me up. He should drop me off. He should buy me Ubers. In exchange, he gets to not embarrass me and breathe my air. I think it's pretty fair. I think we're even Stevens. Otherwise, I don't need a man just to have a man. This is for me. For the guys who are mad, though, cry about it.
I hope you don't think there is anything normal about any of those videos. The one who shames her boyfriend for not getting them on a first-class ticket, and the one who wants to make money but never spend it because she now has a boyfriend. See, you just honestly want to believe that these ladies are joking and they are doing things like that to get engagement on social media. However, there have been reports of guys being humiliated, pressured, and even dumped by their girlfriends because they couldn't afford certain things.
No. I'm so tired of going out with someone who doesn't satisfy my wants and needs. You know what? I should have gone on a date with Dennis. Maybe he would have actually gotten me what I wanted for my birthday.
Dennis? Who is Dennis?
He's this guy I've been talking to on Instagram for the past month. He's rich and he drives a Tesla.
You've been talking to someone this whole time? What's wrong with you, Veronica?
The only thing that's wrong with me is that I've stayed with you for this long. We're over. And you can keep this cheap purse. Once I get with Dennis, I'll be wearing Versace.
I think a man should provide for his girlfriend. He should pay the bills on a date, but the woman doesn't have to be so entitled to it that any man who can't afford to is now considered less of a man. The attributes of a successful man are more important than the success itself because money can grow wings and fly away, but what you have learned sticks with you. Ladies should learn to find men who have the character of success more than the men who have cars because in life you don't become successful, you attract success. So, as a man, your responsibility should be to become the kind of man who attracts success. Any woman who doesn't want to be part of your struggle shouldn't be part of your success either.
Look, Martin, I'm really sorry about the way I ended things, but I am your first love. Do you think maybe we could try this again?
What happened to Dennis?
He ended up leaving me for someone else.
I'm sorry to hear that. But I also am going to have to decline your offer. I'm finally with somebody who likes me for me, whether I'm rich or poor.
But Martin...
No, Veronica.
I'm so tired of going out with someone who doesn't satisfy my wants and needs.
I hope you find somebody who satisfies your wants and needs. Good luck.
So, to avoid unfortunate scenarios, here are 5 things you must watch out for. 1. Women who place monetary value on love.
I mean, will you marry me?
Marry you, yeah? And live in the sharks and drive your risky car. I'm too good for that. I deserve only the best.
Everything will settle down. I promise. I have a plan. I've sent my CV to several reputable companies and
I've heard it 1,000 times.
Honey, I love you, and I'll do anything to make you happy. You just need to wait a little longer.
I waited enough, Simon. If you cannot satisfy my needs, then please find someone at your level.
Wait! Wait! Please, give me another chance. You'll have everything you want, I promise.
If you want another chance, be ready to spend money, okay?
Okay, your favorite restaurant, tonight. Okay?
I will see. This is your last chance.
Great. You won't regret it, I promise.
2. Women who compare your relationship to others.
And all of my friends stay for a month in the Bahamas or Tahiti. And where did we travel for the last time? To your parents.
3. Women who don't mind arguing with you publicly.
I'm afraid we have a problem.
Yes, we have a problem. We have a huge problem. And the problem is you, Simon, you and your poverty.
I'd better get the manager.
Babe, why do you treat me like this? I'm not forcing you to work or take care of our home. I try to give you everything you ask for. But what else do you need?
I need something more than that. There are so many men willing to pay to be with a girl like me, and I'm just wasting my time with you. And you are pathetic.
4. Women who don't appreciate your gifts because it is cheap.
Happy birthday, baby.
Oh, what is this?
What, you don't like it?
Is that even a question? Do I look happy?
Well, it was what I could afford. I thought you would like it.
No, Martin, I hate it. It's so cheap, and I'm so tired of going out with someone who's so broke like you.
5. Women who see their body as a price you have to pay for.
Well, well, well. That was the worst day of my life.
Come on, we had a great evening. Come to me, hug me, please.
Stop! You can sleep on the sofa. You can't even pay for me at the restaurant. I don't want to touch a man like you.
You should only be with someone that values you.
Yeah. Maybe Veronica would value me if I got a designer handbag or drove a nicer car.
Those are nice things to have, but at the end of the day, if she only values you for the things you can afford, she probably doesn't care about you at all.
I hope you've learned your lessons, but just on a side note, let's ask 50 cents who should pay on a first date.
Who pays on a first date?
Who pays?
Who pays on the first date?
Whoever idea it was to go on the date.
Do you think we could split it?
You want to split it?
Yeah, I'll pay half, you pay half.
Do we split the mortgage?
Well,
Do we split the car outside?
no.
Who pays the T-Mobile bill?
You do.
You have your cute little job, pay the cute little bill. This isn't fair.
You really want me to pay for all of
You
it?
want me to pay for everything and make investments for us and worry about our future? How about you take care of something?
Okay.
I think that's only fair.
Do like this video and subscribe if you found it helpful. Remember, if she doesn't want to be a part of your struggle, she shouldn't be a part of your success either.